Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Vornado heater is not working the way it should, whether it's not turning on, not producing enough heat, or shutting off unexpectedly, it can be frustrating, especially during colder days when you rely on it the most. These issues might seem serious at first, but in many cases, they are caused by simple things like power interruptions, safety shutoffs, airflow blockages, or incorrect settings. Vornado heaters are designed with built-in protection features, so if something isn't right, the unit may stop working to prevent damage. Once you identify the actual cause, the fix is usually quick and straightforward. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to troubleshoot and fix common Vornado heater issues, and try these. Step 1. Properly check the power connection and ensure the heater is plugged in properly. Step 2. Try a different power outlet to rule out electrical issues. Step 3. Turn the heater off and after a few seconds, back on to reset the system. Step 4. Adjust the thermostat settings to a higher temperature. Step 5. Clean air vents and remove any dust-blocking airflow. Step 6. Place the heater in an open area for proper air circulation.